unexpected shutdowns, damaged equipment, rising operating costs, often caused by one invisible problem: impure water. In industries like power plants, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing, even a trace of impurity can lead to major losses. That's why industries rely on DEM plants from Microfilter Polymers Limited. Our demineralization plants remove dissolved salts, minerals, and impurities, delivering consistently high purity water. Engineered for efficiency, built for durability, designed for low maintenance, each system is custom built to match your capacity and operating conditions. The result? Longer equipment life, reduced downtime, complete peace of mind. Microfilter Polymers Limited pure water solutions you can depend on. Because purity is non-negotiable.